friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. In today's video, I wanted to do something different today because I want to give away the brand that I actually want to give away from. I already recorded the video. They're called Refreshment. So they offer a lot of self-care products, and I did an unboxing of all that stuff. I'm gonna make like a self-care reel or a shorts video, but for that giveaway, I won the whole entire collection, plus 3 Alex and Annie bracelets, and a year's worth of Ipsy subscriptions. Each month for the next year, I'll be getting an Ipsy bag. And I'm kind of excited because I always see videos on YouTube of the Ipsy bags, but I'm like, I would never spend my own money to do something like that on a subscription box because you really don't know what you're gonna get. And a lot of times there are girls who are upset about some of the items that they get and they don't think it's really worth the money that they spent. So I've always been a little skeptical of getting these. So I'm excited to open this bag. And I did put some foundation on because I don't know what's in the bag. I haven't seen any videos yet, but I'm gonna open it and hopefully there's some makeup things that I can add onto my face. But we will see once we open the bag. And so this month, it looks like vampire teeth and it has like green tongue or whatever. It's Halloween themed. Obviously it's October. And let's open it. So I didn't realize I had an email from them. You do get the chance to select 3 of the items in the bag, but I didn't respond to the email in time, or I didn't open the email in time. So I didn't get to choose anything. So it's just let's see what's in here type of thing. So there are 5 products in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. If they are facial products or something that I can do right now, I will try them on during the video. Okay, so the first thing that I got that is a makeup product is the Bronze Beauty Powder Wear Ombre Bronzer by Real Her. I love the packaging on this. The black box with the rose gold. It has the rose gold sides and the rose gold writing. I love rose gold. If you have not been in my living room or seen videos of my living room, just know I love rose gold and pink. Ooh, this is pretty. Very pretty packaging. I love the rose gold. And it's a mirror too. Yes, okay, let's open. Okay, so I bought some brushes down here, makeup brushes, and I'm going to apply the bronzer. It might be a little lighter than what I need. Let's see. I didn't really think it was going to show up on my face, but you can see that here. And it looks like I have highlight on. That's amazing. Next, we have another makeup product. It's called About Face. Okay. Light Lock Lip Gloss. It's buttery glossy lip oil, bathes lips in pearly color and moisture. Coconut oil softens and protects, while skin smoothers create a see-through glass shine with lasting power. This one is vegan, cruelty-free, formulated without gluten, phthalates, parabens, or synthetic fragrances. Ooh, so that's a really pretty, like, gold shimmery color. Very, very pretty. And it also has like a rose gold top on it as well. So let's try it out. It smells like mint. Okay. I've never owned a gold lip gloss like this. I like this. Okay. I like how it looks on my lips. The next thing I have is a black eyebrow pencil. I already did my eyebrows, and my eyebrows, the hair on my eyebrows are not black. So this would not work for my eyebrows. It would look like it would be too much. So I already know this is not going to be for my eyebrows, but I could probably use it as a eyeliner because it's a pencil. So hopefully I can use it as an eyeliner. I'll do like the insides of my eyebrow, of my eyelids, waterlines. So this one is by a brand called Porosity. I'm going to open it and I'm going to try to line my lower lid. So I try to do like my lower lid with the pencil, and I'll just have to use that brow pencil for my eyeliner. Now the next two products are not makeup. Avocado hand cream from a brand called Glow On Fifth Beauty, and it says keep it handy. So hand creams are important because if y'all look at my hands right now, they're kind of ashy. So glad I got this. Okay, this one is cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. Formulated for all skin types. Nourish parched, dry hands with soothing hydration, cooling to the touch, and rich in texture. This rosemary-infused hand cream is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help improve blood circulation. So it comes in a really pretty blue box. Let's open it up. Really pretty packaging as well. It is sealed, and I like that just to ensure that no one has tampered with my product. Yeah, I usually like more fruity lotions. This one isn't horrible, but it's not something that I would purchase if it was in the store. Now my hands look kind of shiny, so I feel like this has some oils in it and it's going to leave whatever I touch oily and greasy, and I don't like that in my lotion, so I might not be using this again. My hands look so oily. I don't even know if you can. Yeah, you can. Too oily. So we'll see if I reach for this again, but now I'm scared to touch my camera to turn this video off because it's going to be like greasy, so I have to wash my hands before I do that. But yeah, my hands feel good, but they just look very oily, and I'm not a fan of greasy and oily lotion. So lastly, I have this Murad Renewing Eye Cream, and I'm excited about this because I'm always looking for an eye cream. I just bought the Fenty Skin eye cream, and I haven't used it yet, but maybe I'll try this one first. I'm going to be using this. I'll probably put a clip of me using this later on tonight, and then I'll probably do maybe a review on this product to see what it does after long-term usage. So those were all of the things that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October, and like I said before, I will be doing an unboxing or unbagging each month with my Ipsy Glam bag so you can see what I got in my bag. Next month I will be logging in on time so I can choose the 3 products that I know I would personally like. I wasn't really upset with any of the products except for the Keep It Handy hand cream, which was very oily, and I do not like that at all because it's going to mess up clothing, furniture, my equipment. So it just doesn't have a purpose in my life. No, I'll probably be using it at nighttime. That way I don't have to touch anything after applying it to my hands. But everything else was good. I was overall very satisfied with this bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. Let me know in the comments below which things you got in your Ipsy bag this month. And were there any things that you didn't really like? Or were you satisfied with everything? Let me know below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.